And good morning, it's me, your favorite, untrained meteorologist, coming to you live from my house. And what kind of weather are we having today? It's Snowmageddon 2025 Part 2, but this time I think it's gonna stick. So what can you do? Stay home. I know the schools didn't close, but that's okay. My wife and my kids are staying home. There is no school in my residence today. We're gonna stay nice and warm, have some coffee, some pan dulce, and my wife even made caldo de res, Mexican beef stew. So stay inside, stay indoors, be safe. We will see you next time. God bless, and back to you, Bob.